Oh, hello. You are find a best channel of learning English. Never, never, never. This is wrong step to improve your English. Because perfect English channel is always perfect. You are not perfect. You are learner. You find perfect channel of learner. Because if you find perfect channel, you are never learn anything. And you find a method tips idea to learn improve English 20 days 10 days. You never speak English, you never learn English. Because any work, any skill, anything in world, if you give time, then you see output. If you never give time, you never see output. So please don't find a perfect channel. If you find my channel, you can subscribe me, because I'm also learner. I'm not teacher just like you. So don't waste your time. Don't find perfect channel. Don't find method. Don't find tips. Don't find anything. You just find struggle, learner, and improvement. Thank you so much and subscribe me, because I am also learner. You can see my journey.